This video presents topics of violence, murder, and death. Viewer discretion advised.
The disappearance of Louis Le Prince in 1890 remains one of the enduring mysteries in the history of cinema. Louis Le Prince, a pioneering French inventor and filmmaker, is widely considered one of the earliest contributors to the development of motion pictures. However, his legacy is overshadowed by his sudden and unexpected disappearance in 1890. Le Prince had successfully captured moving images on film before the Lumière brothers and Thomas Edison, who are often credited with the invention of cinema. In September 1890, Le Prince boarded a train to Dijon to Paris, intended to present his latest invention to the world. Unfortunately, he never arrived at his destination, and his disappearance remains unexplained to this day. The circumstances surrounding Le Prince's vanishing are shrouded in mystery. Some theories suggest foul play or industrial espionage, as Le Prince's innovations pose a threat to other inventors in the burgeoning film industry. Others propose that he chose to disappear voluntarily, perhaps due to personal or financial pressures. Despite the uncertainty surrounding his fate, Louis Le Prince's contributions to early cinematography cannot be overlooked. His surviving films, such as Rue Garden Scene and Traffic Crossing Leeds Bridge, stand as historical artifacts, providing a glimpse into the days of the early filming industry. The disappearance of Louis Le Prince remains a poignant chapter in the history of cinema, leaving unanswered questions about the fate of a visionary who played a pivotal role in shaping the art form. The disappearance of Louis Le Prince in 1890 is a historical mystery, and various theories and suspects have been suggested over the years. However, it's important to note that none of these theories have been made conclusively proven, and Le Prince's disappearance remains unsolved to this day. Here's just a few of the speculated suspects and theories. The Lumière brothers. Some theories suggest that the Lumière brothers, Auguste and Louis Lumière, may have been involved. They are also known for pioneering work in early cinema and the invention of the cinématographe. Le Prince's disappearance could have been a result of rivalry or industrial espionage. Thomas Edison. As a prominent inventor in the late 19th century, Edison is often considered a potential suspect. Some theories propose that Edison may have wanted to eliminate competition and secure his dominance in the emerging film industry. Business rivals. Given the competitive nature of the emerging film industry, it's possible that business rivals or individuals with vested interest in suppressing Le Prince's inventions could have been involved in his disappearance. Family matters. Some suggest personal reasons for Le Prince's disappearance, such as family issues or financial troubles. It's possible that he chose to disappear voluntarily for personal reasons. Louis Le Prince himself. The possibility of Le Prince orchestrating his own disappearance has been considered. Some theories propose that he might have done so to escape personal problems, financial difficulties, or to start a new life with a new family, or any other such explanation. Accidental death. Some theories suggest that Le Prince may have met an accidental death during his journey and the circumstances surrounding it were not properly documented. Kidnapping or robbery. Another theory is that Le Prince may have been a victim of kidnapping or robbery during his journey leading to his disappearance. It's crucial to emphasize that there are no proven or definitive evidence pointing to any particular suspect, and that these theories remain speculative to this day. The true circumstances surrounding Louis Le Prince's disappearance remain one of the enduring mysteries in the history of cinema. The disappearance of Louis Le Prince in 1890 did not involve a formal investigation in the way we might expect in modern times. During that era, missing person cases were not typically subjected to systematic and official investigations as they are today. However, various individuals and researchers have looked into the circumstances surrounding Le Prince's disappearance over the years. Here is just a few of the figures that have been involved in examining the case and researching its details. Adolphe Le Prince, Louis Le Prince's son. Adolphe Le Prince played a key role at the beginning in the investigation and publicizing the case of his father's disappearance. He was instrumental in preserving Louis Le Prince's legacy and contributing to the discussions about the mystery. Christopher Rawlins, a researcher and writer, Rawlins has delved into the historical details of the Louis Le Prince's life and disappearance. His work has contributed to the broader understanding of the circumstances surrounding the case. David Wilkinson. Filmmaker David Wilkinson produced a documentary titled The First Film in 2015, which explores the life of Louis Le Prince and the mystery of his disappearance. The documentary incorporates research and interviews related to the case. It's important to note that the lack of formal investigation at the time of Louis Le Prince's disappearance means that there is no official investigators or law enforcement agencies directly involved in probing the circumstances. The case has been primarily explored by historians, researchers, and individuals with an interest in the history of cinema. The mystery remains unsolved and various theories persist regarding to what happened to Louis Le Prince in 1890. The disappearance of Louis Le Prince in 1890 is a historical mystery, and there is limited concrete evidence available. Much of the information surrounding the case comes from historical records, family accounts, and the work of researchers. Here's a brief summary of just a few of the key pieces of evidence and information related to the disappearance. Last known journey. Louis Le Prince was last seen on September 16, 1890, boarding a train from Dijon to Paris. The journey was intended to culminate in a public demonstration of his latest invention, a motion picture camera. Missing persons report. Unfortunately, there was no official missing person report or investigation from that time, as formal procedures for such cases were not well established in the late 19th century. Personal correspondence. Letters and personal correspondence from Louis Le Prince during the time leading up to his disappearance has provided insights into his state of mind, plans, or any potential issues that he was facing. Invention and patents. Louis Le Prince was a known inventor, and evidence of its contributions to early cinematography includes patents for his inventions related to motion pictures in particular. His work laid the foundation for subsequent developments in the film industry. Family statements. Statements and accounts from Louis Le Prince's family members, particularly his son Adolphe Le Prince, have contributed to the historical records. Adolphe played a role in preserving his father's legacy and investigating the mystery. Theories and speculation. Various theories have been proposed over the years, speculating on the possible reasons behind Louis Le Prince's disappearance. These theories while not evidence in the traditional sense, contribute to the ongoing discussion and debate surrounding his case. It's important to note that the lack of formal investigation at the time means that much of the available information is derived from historical documents and later research. The mystery surrounding Louis Le Prince's disappearance remains one of the true crime histories that remain unknown.